Fantazijska zgodba prikazuje obupanega vojaškega veterana Johna, ki se po spletu nenavadnih okoliščin znajde v povsem novem svetu na planetu Mars. Nad to več kot 100 let staro zgodbo se je že v otroštvu navdušil režiser Andrew Stanton.
I never forgot it, and I always wanted to see it on the screen. And I just couldn't believe by the time I got into my 40s, it still hadn't been made yet, and so I jumped at the chance.
Glavnemu igralcu Johnu pot prekrižajo snovitka Dedža, zaradi katere se mladenič zaplete v nevarno vojno, ki bi lahko uničila življenje na Marsu. Tudi zato je bilo snemanje na Zemlji režiserju animiranih filmov velik izziv.
In animation, but I got to do it safely inside with a sort of sane schedule. And to suddenly do all the same things, but now outdoors at a really haphazard pace, and a lot of physical stamina that you're pushed against. That was really tough, but it was thrilling.
Zato le ne zamudite, kakšna usoda bo v petek čakala Johna Carterja.